Welcome to day 4 of our Japan trip. I thought I would show everyone what our room looks like because it's really massive in comparison to Japanese hotel rooms. So I thought I'd give you a quick look at what that looks like. And I also wanted to mention that yesterday we actually, well, I didn't sleep through it. We're awake. What time was the earthquake, Zach? What time do you reckon?
Like 8:30.
Around 8 o'clock yesterday morning, we actually had an earthquake in Tokyo. I'm pretty sure it was 4.2 magnitude. Anyway, totally freaked me out. It like rattled all of the paintings on the wall, and the window here was rattling, and because we're on the top floor of our hotel, you could actually feel the building sway. It's pretty scary but pretty cool at the same time. So yeah, I'll show you the room. Oh my god. So this is the front door, and then over here we've just got a closet, and just ignore Granddad talking. We've got a fridge here, a kettle and water, tea, coffee stuff. And then we come over here, just mind all of the mess. We've got like this little couch seating area. That is my bed. We've got the TV, which we actually haven't turned on yet. TV stand. Then we've just got this coffee table. Grandma's been ironing. That's Grandma's bed. Granddad's bed, Zach, and we've just got like a little vanity area. And then over here, just got Grandma, and then the toilet. And then you come around here, and we've got, I don't know where the light is. Yeah. We've got a humongous kind of like dressing wardrobe room, so super big. So yeah, that's what the room looks like. It's super big, and these are the views. We're staying in Shinagawa, which is only a couple of stops from Tokyo, and those are our views, which is pretty nice. It's a nice day today. We're off to Asakusa and Skytree. So that is what outside looks like. And I think we worked it out for the 7 nights for the 3 of us. It worked out to be about $62 per person each night. So awesome value. Currently at Sensoji Temple, and it's probably the most touristy place we have been. I haven't seen this many Westerners since we got to Japan, don't you reckon?
Yep.
They're everywhere. It's crazy busy. It's actually quite warm outside today.
It's bloody hot.
It's hot. It's hot. But yeah, it's really nice though. We're just kind of wandering around the outside, taking some pictures and soaking it in. Zach being photographer. the cool people now. That is where Grandma and Granddad are. It's a pretty cool concept though, just like a whole bunch of seating
Fucking Cairns.
with water misting on top of you. That's what Cairns needs.
Yeah.
And all the girls in their geisha outfits. They look so pretty. Okay, let's go find the old folk. And I just realized there was a smudge on that last clip on my lens. Pro YouTuber right here. These misting things are freaking awesome. How good is the misters? How good is the misters? So good. We didn't go inside. Yeah, way too crowded. We just walked around outside and then came back to find you guys.
Oh, you cursed off.
I don't know if we're allowed to walk in here, but it's pretty. Pardon?
Inform the people what they're coming.
It's making matcha powder. No, it's like
Oh yeah, like sushi lizard.
a sushi lizard. It's disgusting. Can buy fish.
Oh, and they got Dory in
Oh,
there.
they got Nemo. Oh, it's so disgusting.
Especially they're like dry.
It's like, ugh. We're currently in Don Quixote and there is stuff everywhere. Looking at the snacks. It's as good as the pancakes that we get from the shop. It's pretty cool.
Does that say 95 euros?
Yes. For like how many though? For one. Oh my
Elephant
God.
grey.
That's appealing. I want fish blue hair.
Rabbit beige.
Or rabbit blonde hair. Luke could be jealous. It's like Luke's dream car is the Tesla.
Yeah, well, that's what I want.
Nice. We just stumbled across a really random park near Skytree, trying to get to Skytree, and they've got like turtles that I thought was fake, but one has disappeared, so it's definitely not fake, and its head's moving. So there's like fish and turtles. It's super cute. purchase them with it. How'd your burger? Good. It's the cutest burger ever. Almost yummy.
Oh, I didn't know they had it.
I told you.
Oh, okay.
You'd be better off with a knife. Metal
Yeah.
one.
Ah.